Hello and welcome to a Mangley Town unboxing. Today for you we have a Dapol Class 73 locomotive in Southern livery, catalogue number 4D-006-013 and yeah, Class 73 Southern 73202. So we'll get this opened up and we'll have a good look around the loco. And here we have it. There is also connectors and lots of other little bits in the detail pack. And there's also another clear bit of plastic as well. Quite droopy on the running gear, but I'm guessing it must be like that for some reason. It's certainly got plenty of detail on it already. Never actually noticed that. I got this as about the only thing I've seen for Southern, but it has actually got a little Gatwick Express logo on it as well. Assuming it wants to focus on it. And I have got another model which is Class 73 Gatwick Express as well. But there's a nice lot of detail on those bogies. And still underneath. And pretty good for detail on the top. So we'll give that a little go on the test track. And again, being new, this is such a glorious little runner. Look at that, perfectly slow without a judder. Could be it's just down to being a Dapol, but I'm definitely impressed with that. But again, there's hardly anything I can find in Southern. So if anybody knows of anything coaching stock wise in a Southern livery, assuming this even pulled coaching stock, I mean it's Gatwick Express, but doesn't mean to say it was pulling something different to Southern livery coaches. See if I can give it that check. Yeah, that's still pretty damn sprightly. So let's go in for a look around, and I'll also show you the lighting on it as well. It does appear to be a nice crisp livery, so lighting wise we have twin little lights up there and the main running light. Go in reverse and obviously the running light goes off, back on for that way. I'll have a look round the other end. But then we have white board up there and put it running that direction, and that's still white with the white running light. So those top ones don't appear to be particularly directional, but the bottom one is. You can see all that glorious detail in there. Yeah, I'd definitely like to find out what rolling stock I should have this with and see what I can get hold of. Are we going to focus? There we go. And it does look like a decent amount of cab detail in there as well. both ends. So I hope you like to look at that. Hopefully at some stage I'll show you what I'm going to run it with. But for now, I'll see you again soon. Thank you.